Okay, today we got a Bogen Communications model TPU250 250 watt amplifier. We're going to go through here and do the C-screw remove screw process. For now, I've already trimmed the cord off of it. One thing I expect to find is a large toroid in here. That will likely be copper. Sure that's actually doing anything. So there may be nuts on the back side of those. I can in fact see the big tool in there. And this thing is rather heavy. I'd say a good 30 pounds. Coming off. That's a nice big piece of steel as well. There's our toroid, nice big copper transformer. Got a board here, a big piece of aluminum heatsink here, power boards, and yep, we got nuts on the top of that, so that's what we'll have to do there. Simple one. that is a there's our copper toroid. Nice big piece of steel on it. This one fortunately does not have resin all through the center, so we just need to unwind this, unwrap it, and peel all the copper out of it. I'll have to most likely save that for another day though. Seconds through 16ths. I'm thinking 30 seconds. Let's get this transformer out of here, which we're also going to need a screwdriver. Problem is that there's our transformer. Now we've got a little less weight throwing us off balance here. This looks like a bridge. This looks like it's just a grounding wire. Looks like there's two nuts on that one. There we go. Okay. Yep, that's a bridge. fuse holder. And if you don't believe me, there's the fuse. Back there. There's our rest of that steel. What do we got here? Okay, this board we have not a heck of a lot. A few chips. We got these these potentiometers and LEDs, some capacitors, a few transistors, one little copper bearing item here, as said, a few little chips, and that's about it. This board, MOSFET, a couple little chips, some transistors, some capacitors, and that's about it. I'll test these guys just to make sure. Okay, the screws are definitely steel. The plate underneath it may be brass. Backside, nothing. Fan. Little piece of steel off. Straight into the motors bucket. Clean all that up later. Yeah, my knees gonna start giving me problems again. Okay, here. got a half dozen MOSFETs on the back of that. Transistor there. Not sure what that little thing is. Really ground. Some resistors. I believe those are resistors. Yeah, resistors. Some capacitors. We got some small aluminum heatsink with some more MOSFETs here, some more MOSFETs, one little chip, some more transistors, and that's about it. Decent little piece of extruded aluminum here with one little, what appears to be a brass standoff. Steel. This one, again, not very much on it. Once I remove those couple of wires. We got one little resistor and a capacitor on here, and maybe a little bit of brass in there. Copper wire, copper transformer, copper toroid, and that is it. That's what all that breaks down to once you get rid of all the steel casing on it. Okay, so that'll be it for this one. Have a good one, guys.